Welcome to the second video of the chase game. So, what I did at the end of the first video for this was actually wrong. Okay, if we go to the backdrop, change score by. Okay, wait 2 seconds. Yeah, that's just replace your current code with this. With this, and you can pause the video if you want, and then with this. Also replace the backdrop code. Yeah, okay. So I think we've done. So time to put more effort into our game. I bet you're wondering, wait, how are we supposed to put more effort into this game? Well, for starters, we could hide the variable once the game is over, because a -1 score just is weird. And we could change the score. Okay, we could rename the score. Okay. To lives. So setting it to lives is very much easier. And now, if we go into the backdrop, instead of changing lives by 1, just delete the whole code. Go on. Okay, so for the backdrop, we're going to have to make a new message so that it hides the variables. No, we don't need to make a message actually. We just do a hide variable block, which essentially hides the variables, which is great. Now, what we do is let's try the game. I'm not sure what is making this so glitchy. Okay, right, I have to set the lives to 10. And then we have to show the variables at the start, and it should work. That's 9, 8, and yeah, that's pretty straightforward, right? Okay, the next thing we might want to do is we can add power-ups. For those of you who have absolutely no idea what power-ups are, well, I'm pretty sure you know exactly what they are. Okay, so go to the variable and make a new variable called speed. If we want to make a speed variable. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, just delete the speed variable and make the speed variable only for this sprite. Just click that. Speed. Press OK. And now drag in a set block over here. Set speed to 10. This is what we will use for our cat's steps, not our bear. So drag the speed variable into there. So now it should still move 10 steps. Okay. For the bear. Oops. Untick the cat speed. So it gets hidden. And now, for the bear. We shall make the same variable, but for the bear only. Take this. Oh, just like mark it. Press OK. And there, we have this. untick this box so it doesn't show up on the screen. And now move speed steps. Okay, now we're going to set the speed to, say, 3 to make it a little harder. Speed to 3. And then we're going to make 2 power-ups, slowing and speed. Now, let's paint a new variable. You can paint it any way you want. Absolutely any way. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint it like, let's make the speed variable. You can just paint it any way you want. Like that. And the outline. 4 circles. Perfect circle. Handy tip, you can draw a perfect circle by pressing the shift before you actually start dragging your mouse pointer to enlarge the circle and make it smaller. I'm gonna position it in the middle. What? Stop. Okay, there. And obviously we need to make it smaller. Yeah, I think that's enough. There. And now that is our speed. I know it's very simple. Speed. Now create another costume, duplicate it, and call it change the color of the circle. Oh, okay. Color of the circle, well, it's slightly different. I'll change it like there. Yeah, like that. And now name this sprite Power. Oh. Why is it still so glitchy? It wasn't that glitchy when I was doing this other thing. Okay, for the power, you want to decide how many times it will spawn, no, how often it will spawn. So drag in a when flag, green flag click, then a forever block. Then you want drag an if block. Okay, I'm gonna teach you something really important right now. Go to the operators, get if equals, get an equals operator, or it's called a boolean, drag in a pick random, and then if pick random 1 to 6 equals 1. This is the most important piece of code you could have. So what this means is that ranging in from the numbers 1 to 6, it picks a random number. If that number equals 1, then the power up will show. Then go to a random position. And show. Yeah. Show switch costume to pick random 1 to 2. Let's do that. That into there. And change that to a 2. Okay, that's good. And now let's do this. I want to finish this today. Make a block. Put the block name as decide. So it decides which kind of power it will be. So to define decide, drag it over here, drag out 2 if blocks, and then in one of the if blocks, drag 2 equals in there. Go to looks, the purple one, go down, what? Drag a costume number in both of them. And to 1 here, and 2 here. So if the costume number equals 1, then if the costume number equals 2. We know the costume number 1 is for speed, so let's make a new message called speed. Okay, and now then for costume 2, we know it's slow, so create a new message called slow. Okay, now go to my blocks and drag in the decide block right after the switch costume block. There. And now, if pick random 1 to 6 equals 1, then yes, forever. Okay, we're gonna make a wait block, or the cone. So let's do a wait, say 5 seconds. There. And now go to the cat. Drag out when I receive speed message, then go to variables, set speed to let's say a bit faster, 14, and then wait how many seconds? Perhaps the boost lasts for 4 seconds, and then go to variables again, drag the set variable to select speed, and type in 10. Okay, there's your power for the cat done. Now for the bear. For the bear, we do the same thing, but when I receive slow, set speed, set speed to just 1, wait to 1. Let's just do a wait, say 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds, and then go to the variables again, and do set speed to 3. Okay, that should do everything, but we have to drag in another if block. I forgot. If touching mouse. Oh, that's in the sensing. Touching cat. then switch. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, we want to know when the if touching cat then hide. And we also have to drag a hide block after the when click. What? Why is it doing that? Unset. Hide. And then we have to hide again. There. Okay, I think it should work now. So it's waiting 5 seconds. I wonder when it's gonna spawn. Oh right, we can't have that. Instead of wait 5 seconds, do wait 0.5. Okay, now it should spawn a lot faster. About in 3 seconds perhaps? Come on, spawn. Okay, if it's not spawning, how to do this? So there's more chance of it spawning. Is it not gonna spawn? I didn't know there was a... I think I went over time. So I'll be posting a third part of this video, sorry. I didn't get to test this because my freaking... It's so laggy. Okay. So bye, please subscribe, please like. And thanks for giving this video a view. Bye.